My name is Erica Salute, and my company is Living Harmony LLC out of Cambridge, Massachusetts. And today I'm just going to give 3 quick tips on travel packing to make your packing and travel a lot simpler, go smoother, so you have a better vacation or a better business trip. The first tip is about planning exactly what you're going to pack, what you're going to wear when, instead of just packing a bunch of stuff and saying, oh yeah, I'll figure it out when I get there, which I hear all the time a lot from my clients. So literally lay everything out on your bed and say, this is going to go with this color, this is going to go with this color thing I want to wear, these shorts are going with these pants. The other thing is to pack only one color scheme so that everything matches everything else that you bring. So every shirt matches every pant or skirt and vice versa, so you have way many more outfits. And the third tip, in the terms of planning, to also know what the weather is so you know what to bring. And the last tip is think layer, light, and less. So layering, meaning instead of bringing a bulky sweater, bring a lot of small layers that you can peel off and put on so that you get more outfits out of less clothing. Think light, so pack things like silk long underwear, the really light things that you can also once again layer with, and things that don't weigh a lot. So silk weighs a lot less than wool does, for instance. And think less. So people are always packing way more than they need. So instead of packing 3 pairs of jeans, you only need 1 pair of jeans, even if you're going away for 3 weeks. So if you lay everything out and you really have a plan, then you're going to pack less and you're going to be able to travel a lot later and have a lot more fun. And once again, my company is Living Harmony, and the website is www.living-harmony.org.